Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with Intrapost. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in infopost.ca and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Infopost website. Now click on Connect to Intrapost at the top right corner, and now this will take you into the employee login portal. Just type in your user ID that you have set up while creating your account within the user ID box, and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. After entering both of these credentials, click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Intrapost employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Your Password underneath the login button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account on Intrapost. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.